13 billion years ago, expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the autotrophs began to drool, Neanderthals developed tools, we built a wall. We built the pyramids, math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang.
With a big bang bang! Hello, it's me, and I'm talking about astronomy. Astronomy is a branch of science that deals with space and the physical universe as a whole. So, the first thing we're going to be talking about is the Big Bang Theory, going back to my introduction about it. So, the real Big Bang Theory is the theory of the universe being formed about 13.7 billion years ago from an explosion. So, after the Big Bang, we discovered the solar system. So, Galileo Galilei created the telescope, and his telescope discovered the moons of Jupiter and the rings of Saturn.
This is a picture of Galileo Galilei.
Some planets have boiling points. Planets can exist in the solid form in the solar system. And then they form the rocky planets such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune formed. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune formed further out to the point between the orbits of the Mars and Jupiter, where it is cool enough for the icy compounds to remain solid. So then these all circle around the sun. A really bad drawing. And then the sun is the biggest and brightest star of all. You see, the sun is a luminous sphere of plasma held together by its own gravity in the night sky. So as you guys may see when you go outside, you see a whole bunch of stars. And there's also constellations of stars. And constellations are like a group of stars. I'm a happy star! And all the planets go around me! Yay!
Here's a picture of the constellations around the world.
So around these stars are debris disks. And a debris disk is a disk of dust and debris in orbit around a star. And then millions and millions of stars all together are called a galaxy. And it's held together by a gravitational attraction.
Here shows a debris disk and then a galaxy.
So sometimes in a galaxy or anywhere like in the sky, oppositions occur. And that's when two things are opposite each other. So say the sun and this planet were opposite of each other. And that would be the opposition.
This shows an example of some oppositions.
So Harlow Shapley is the man who calculated the size of the Milky Way galaxy, which is the galaxy that we live in today. And he also discovered the central location of the galaxy, which is pretty darn good if you ask me.
This is a photo of Harlow Shapley.
Now for breaking news. Here's a joke for y'all. Why did the cow moo go to outer space?
Why?
To visit the Milky Way. Now back to the space station. So, an astronomical unit is a unit measure equal to the average distance between Earth and the Sun, which is about 93 million miles.
This shows how the sun and Earth are exactly 1 AU apart.
Is that one astronomical unit, or also known as AU, is 92,955,807 miles. So that would be from the sun, as I said before, to Earth, which is just a little ways. That is 92,955,807 miles. Wow, that'd be a long run. And now for the black hole. The black hole is a region of space having a gravitational field so intense that no matter can escape.
And this is an example of what a black hole looks like.
Now for the last topic of the day. Yay! So it's the Doppler spectroscopy, which is the first technique used to reveal the existence of extrasolar planetary systems hosted by solar-type stars. What? Yeah, I got you. So this means that the planets outside the solar system, or anything outside the solar system, like these, were founded by using the stars of those planets. And we did that by finding the Doppler shifts in the stars to find the actual planet.
And here you can see the Doppler shifts of the stars.
Overall, astronomy helped discover how the universe came to be and how we exist today. Farewell, my fellow astronomers, till we meet again in space.
She checks out most of what she does travel, reminds me that there's room to grow.
Now, back to the space station. So, an astronomical unit is... Oh, we're not ready for this.